Every few months, a new theory appears. Satoshi was this person, Satoshi was that person. There's proof, there's a file. Let me say something simple. It does not matter, because Bitcoin doesn't depend on who created it, it depends on how it works. Humans like stories. We want a face, a villain, a genius, a mastermind. But systems don't survive because of personalities, they survive because of structure. Gold didn't become valuable because we knew who first mined it. The internet didn't survive because we worshipped its inventors. An idea becomes powerful when it outgrows its creator, and Bitcoin has clearly done that. If you're stacking Bitcoin currently, you're not stacking a ticker, you're stacking digital scarcity, fixed supply, monetary independence, a non-sovereign asset, and a system outside of political control. The price isn't just the current exchange rate between fiat and scarcity, but the thesis isn't the exchange rate. The thesis is simple. There will only ever be 21 million. Everything else is noise layered on top. Fiat supply expands, always has and always will. Governments inflate because they must, reduce debt burdens, avoid recession, maintain stability, and protect political careers. The supply of fiat increases over time, the supply of Bitcoin does not. So stacking Bitcoin isn't about chasing upside, it's about defending against dilution. You're not buying Bitcoin to get rich, you're buying it to avoid getting poorer slowly. Most people buy green candles, sell red ones, panic at volatility, and chase momentum. They respond emotionally to price, but stacking is boring, stacking is repetitive, and stacking is mechanical. You don't ask, is this the top? You ask, how many sats did I add this week? That shift changes everything. Price traders watch charts, stackers watch supply. Bull markets build excitement, bear markets build conviction. If you only stack when the chart looks good, you're not stacking, you're speculating. True stackers accumulate during silence, accumulate during doubt, and accumulate when no one is watching, because they understand something simple. Scarcity does not care about sentiment. Noise exists to make you reactive. News cycles, macro events, government statements, influencer opinions. Most of it is short term, but Bitcoin's issuance schedule, predictable. Halving cycles, predictable. Maximum supply, fixed. The signal is stable, the noise is emotional. You don't beat the system by reacting faster, you beat it by reacting less. The price will rise, the price will fall. The headlines will scream. None of that changes the supply, none of that changes the thesis, and none of that changes the strategy. Ignore the noise and stack away.